Let's discuss Leetcode problem numbers 82 and 83. Both are linked list duplicate related problems. Before we discuss, please share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, I have added a lot of quizzes to the community page. Please check it out. Now, like we're discussing Leetcode problem number 82 and 83. They are like slightly different. 82 is a little bit more complicated in the sense that you have a linked list like this. 82 demands you to return, eliminate anything. If it is duplicate, eliminate the entire thing basically. So you just return 2 there are duplicates, 3 there are duplicates, so you just return a linked list with 1 and 4 in it. Whereas 83 requires you to return 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is some slight difference in their uniquely different in their behavior or requirement. And so I call this as inner head pattern. As you can see, the key to this problem is in this area because this tells whether there is a head has moved in the inner while loop or not. So that's why I call it as inner head pattern. Based on that, this if condition goes into if condition or an else condition. So usually you start off with a dummy head, which helps you in case you had to eliminate the head node, and then assign previous equals to dummy node. Uh, Now, while head is not null, and then check head dot next is not null. And then compare the two values, head and head dot next. So in this case, when the head is at 1, head dot next is 2, so the head doesn't move. So you basically say that previous dot next is equals to head, because head has not moved, and previous next value is head. So you get in here and move on to 2 basically, and then previous becomes previous dot next. So previous is pointing to 2, and then you move on. So if there is a example, say for example there are no duplicates at all, 1, 2, 3, 4, so all it does is this while loop is useless. In that scenario, you just keep on moving previous and head, and then just basically come out of the loop and then return the original linked list. But if there are duplicates, then the head starts moving here. So head, when head is at mm, when head is here, head dot next equals, then it keeps on moving until head reaches 3, whereas the previous has not moved at all. Previous is pointing to node 1. So in this case, it comes here in this else condition and then assigns 1 to point to 3 basically. So that basically you eliminated all the 3 2's. And then head moves, and then the previous moves for the next set of elements in the linked list. That's it. Now moving for that's it for 82. Now moving on to 83. I ran this for this thing. If you see, it says no duplicates for node 1, and then duplicate, skipping duplicate, and then removing all duplicates. So this is basically assigning, in the case of 1, you directly pointing to 3. That's what it is here, that remove duplicates of 2, and the same thing happens for 3. And so now coming to 83. 83 is basically you start off with the current node equals to head pointer. While current pointer is not null, you just compare the next value. If the next value and the current value are equal, you just you don't need the previous node here because you are not eliminating the entire node. So you just keep on skipping as long as the current value equals current dot next dot value, and then return head, and that's it. So here you don't need the special scenario like dummy head is not needed, because the reason is the first node you will definitely keep it no matter what. Even if there is 1 and 1, this one you will definitely keep it, and that's why you don't need that. And I call this as compare next value pattern, because that's what the key is. You are comparing value to the next node's value, and that's it. Let me know if you have any comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.